Watch your foot, watch your foot, watch your foot.
Welcome back to another number 1 fails video. When crazy birds attack compilation.
Get close to him. Get closer to him.
Stop. Stop. Ouch. Stop. Stop. Hey. Don't. Ouch. Stop. You asshole. Get off the porch. Mom. Somebody needs to help me. There was this bird on my driveway. There was a bird on my driveway and I thought it was dying, so I picked it up and it let me. I brought it in my house to go to. Well, I went to the bathroom.
You might pick the lice out of your head.
Too funny.
Look at that thing! It's gonna kick him.
Okay, let's take my finger off. Roll the window. Oh! 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 He almost bit my ear! He almost bit my ear! Oh! I got a kink in my neck. I got a kink. I pulled muscle. I pulled a muscle. I pulled a muscle. I pulled a muscle.
Get it.
Oh my god, it's the one with just one eye! Seriously, get out of my lap! But how do I get out? I can't! Okay, go! No, I can't! I'm trying to drive! Okay, stop it! Go away! Go! Get out of here! No! Get out of here! Come on, man! Seriously, dude! Back off! Oh god, I think I heard it. Did I hurt it, Nate? That's why you have one eye, asshole!
Don't forget to leave a like, share, comment and subscribe for more number 1 fails content. Links to previous videos are here. And as always, thanks for watching and we will see you guys next time.